President Biden will announce new measures on Thursday aimed at helping communities across the country.
In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process of making a news channel with the help of AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we need to create news content. But the question is, how can we collect news? And the answer is Google News. Just go to Google News and take a piece of engaging news for your video. After selecting the news, copy it into a doc file. Okay, our news is ready now. We will create a news presenter. For creating a news presenter, we will use an AI tool named Hagen. After opening the Hagen website, click on to try Hagen for free. Now click on the sign in button and create an account with your email address. After creating the account, find it starts with an avatar and select it. Now you will find more than 100 real human-like avatars. Select one avatar. You can edit the avatar. Interesting thing is that you can upload your own face also. After completing editing, click on Save as New. After that, select your customized avatar and click on Create Video. We need a green screen background in our video. Select the color from here and select green as the background color. Now go to the doc file and copy the first paragraph with your news. Okay, our video is now ready. Let's play it.
President Biden will announce new measures on Thursday aimed at helping communities across the country deal with extreme weather as rising temperatures.
It's looking great. Turn off the caption, we don't need it. Now download the video. It is the first part of our video. We need more parts, but the free version of Hagen only allows 1 credit. If you want to purchase their subscription, then you can skip the next part and continue from 4 minutes 20 seconds. In the next step, we'll use Jenny AI for creating voiceover. After creating an account on it, select like New Project, then select Voiceover. Now delete all the previous blocks. After that, click on Spokesperson and select a voice person here. You will find a vast number of voice models. Now, copy the news article from the doc file and paste it on the Jenny. After that, select all the blocks and click on Generate button. After completing the voice generating process, export audio from every block. For download, you have to buy a subscription, which is value for money. If you do not want to buy it, you can use other free AI voice generators. Our voiceover is now ready. Next, we will use another AI tool for creating lip sync with these audio clips. Basically, it's an open source code and we will run it with Google Collapse. This is Wave to Lip AI. To connect the server with Google Collapse, click on Connect button form here. After that, come to step 1 and click on the play button and then click on Run Anyway. It will take some time to set up your server. Next, it's the YouTube video lip sync, but we will use our own video, so skip it and scroll down. We will use this one, click on the step 2 play button, and importantly, don't make any changes anywhere. Okay? Click on the play button. Now upload the video file which was generated by Hagen. After completing video uploading, scroll down to step 3. In step 3, we will upload the voice over generated by Jenny. Remember that this tool is able to create lip sync only 1 minute one time. After uploading the audio file, come to step 4 and click on the play button. Now this AI tool will take some time, okay? Our video is ready. Simply click on the 3-dot menu and download it on your device. After downloading the video, scroll up to step 2 and again, click on the play button and upload the second audio clip, and then scroll down to step 4 and click on the run button. Then wait some time, and after completing the processing, download the second video. Do the same process with other audio clips and create videos with this audio. After generating videos with all the audio clips, now time to create news environment to make our news video more attractive. You can download news stock footage from any website. I will download it from Canva after downloading the newsroom asset. Now let's make a proper news video. You can use any kind of video editor software. I am using Wondershare Filmora because it's very user-friendly. Open your video editor software and then insert all the footage into the media folder. First, insert the intro scene in the timeline and then add the news background. And then add the first video timeline to its starting point of the news background. I am going to fast forward this part. Okay, our editing is now completed. Let's export the video. Alright, we have successfully created our news video. Now you can upload your news video to your YouTube channel. Okay friends, let's watch our news video together.
President Biden will announce new measures on Thursday aimed at helping communities across the country deal with extreme weather as rising temperatures scorch much of the country.
It's really a unique experience. If you want to see more of our content, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.